Laura Overdeck, the wife of billionaire hedge fund manager John Overdeck, alleged in a lawsuit filed last week against the law firm of Seward and Kissel and one of its partners that they committed malpractice and fraud by not informing her that documents which moved marital assets to Wyoming trusts also ended her claim on those assets if either filed for divorce. Laura filed for divorce from John in March 2022. 20 years after the couple's marriage and 21 years after John co-founded $60 billion quant hedge fund 2 Sigma in 2001 with David Siegel. The couple did not have a prenuptial agreement, and John Overdeck amassed the bulk of his estimated $7.3 billion fortune since they married, presumably setting Laura up for a hefty payout. But her lawsuit claims she found out soon thereafter that documents she signed in 2018 permitting transfers, exceeding several $1 billion, from trusts set up in New Jersey to new trusts housed in tax-friendly Wyoming came with unexpected consequences. The original New Jersey trusts had been set up to reduce federal estate and gift taxes and to benefit their 3 shared children and both partners. Legal News Service Law 361 reported on the lawsuit last Friday. The complaint filed in New Jersey Superior Court claims that Seward's attorneys included provisions in the Wyoming trusts, without informing her, that would remove her as a beneficiary, upon either spouse commencing a legal proceeding seeking a divorce. Instead, she claims all she was told was that the trusts were being moved to Wyoming to shield them from certain taxes. In addition, she alleges that the Wyoming trust instruments give her husband sole control of determining how much their 3 children will inherit and leave the door open for him to distribute money earned during their marriage to children he may have separately in the future. The law firm Seward and Kissel and a spokesperson for John Overdeck at 2 Sigma did not respond to requests for comment. The partner named in the suit is Hume R. Stayer, identified on Seward and Kissel's website as co-head of its private clients, Trust and Estates Group. Laura Overdeck believes she was represented by Seward and Kissel. Kevin Kilcullen, one of her attorneys, tells Forbes. She now understands they acted directly against the interests of her and the children. This practice, known as trust decanting, has become a popular tactic used by the wealthy to shield assets from Uncle Sam, ex-spouses, other family members and creditors. It involves removing assets from a supposedly irrevocable trust and pouring them into a new trust with new or revised terms, usually in states with friendly tax laws and lax regulations around notifying beneficiaries. Decanting is governed by state law and the modifications typically shouldn't change the grantor's original intent.